Ooh, now that's a tall order. And a short book. Looks like we can help our new friend get ready. Start with a nice bath. Make that a shower. Now let's brush those teeth. Well, assuming she has any. Now finish up your business. It's time to start laundry day. So, it's nice and clean. Now hang it up to dry. Next, check your outfit for something to wear. We always dress for breakfast around here. Let's add a nice Christmas atmosphere. That always makes things taste better. Too bad you're gonna miss Santa. Ooh, I think he likes your gift. Careful, Saint Nick. It's precious cargo. Guess we're going to the North Pole. Well, on the bright side, look at all these gifts. Grab your antlers. It's time for some reindeer games. We're checking out some unusual gifts. Doesn't get more unusual than that flag. But still, who can say no to blocks? And it's great practice for plumbing school. Oh, looks like we've got our first taker. Of course, it's much better to give than to receive. But there's always some exceptions. Hey, leave some milk for Santa. At least we've still got the cup. First, decorate the outside of the cup. Add a bottle of your favorite juice. And a cute snowman on top. One with a long nose, in case you get thirsty. And think of what you'll save on ice. Careful. Oh, ever heard of letting sleeping cats lie? How about we take a bottle and make a special candy box. Add a face. And some big antlers. It's cute, but we'll need 8 more. Cardboard box? Let's put the pieces back together and make something totally brand new. With all this pink, something pig-related comes to mind. But this isn't some run-of-the-mill piggy bank. 'Cause we're gonna fill it up with candy. Push his little nose and get a treat. Just save some candy for the giftee. There's something wrong with that bowl. We could add a bottom, or we can add Pop-It toys. If anything, it's an excuse to bring out the glue gun. Can't beat sparkly glue, even if we're covering it up. Add some streamers along the side and cover the top. And we've got a helmet covered in buttons, ready for popping. Wow! Look at all that candy. Is this Christmas or Halloween? Take a hard piece and melt it up. Now dip in a straw and start blowing bubbles. Look, these bubbles don't burst so easily. So, you want to make a snowman? Ooh, make that a bubble bunny. Looks like someone's gonna need a little TP. Great, we've got a free TP roll ready for crafting. Fill it up with goodies, like candy or popcorn. Or even better, both. Add a lid on top. Stack them up into a makeshift advent calendar. Ooh, no wonder there aren't any stirring mice. Oh, wait, it's just a toy that looks like a mousetrap. It'll make a fun little addition to this mobile phone. Of course, everything's improved with glitter. Poor Mr. Gingerbread, half the man he used to be. Before the cookie crumbles even more, chew some gum. And cover the hole with the empty gum packet. Look, we've just made a new Pop-It toy. This would be a great gift for Mrs. Claus. Think things will go easier for this little Santa? Climbing and going nowhere. Yeah, we've all been there. This Santa's a real gymnast. I think we stumbled on the Santa Olympics. Now everyone can have their own personal tiny Santa. Just remember to feed them. They're your responsibility. Oh, it's that house of cards all over again. Frosty's here to help. Take this plastic spoon. Add to this green cone all in a row for a DIY Christmas tree. Now it's time to add the decorations. And each spoon can hold a piece of candy. Can't forget a star on top. Or sprinkles. Can't go wrong with a handful of sprinkles. And powdered sugar gives it a nice snow-covered look. Excuse me, Mr. Spider, can we borrow this cup? It's already got a hole, so let's cut it up some more. Make a few star shapes throughout. And place on top of some light. Twist it around for a moving sky, well, room full of stars. Oh, look, our snowman's come to life. Happy birthday! Oh, how sweet. He wants to share his eyes with you. It was a bottle cap all along. Guess they were out of coal. You know, we can rebuild him, and this snowman won't melt. But he will wibble-wobble back and forth. No matter where life takes you, toilet paper's always great to have on hand. And with some low temperatures and a spritz of water, you can practically freeze them into place. Add some seeds or nuts. The squirrels can spare a few. Our new bird feeders are open for business. Wow, we're gonna save a ton on ornaments next Christmas. And look, it even comes in duck form. Of course, we'll have to keep the tree outside. Whoa, teddy bears! Why don't we add some colors while we're at it? Now we've got all our ducks in a row. Wow, a robot that makes drawings for you. Just show it the image you want and watch it go. A few lines and squiggles soon becomes a penguin. If only it could color it in for you too. So cute. This one's going on Santa's fridge. Yeah. But let's see what else it can do. Just give it a good look at your photo. Once again, it's gonna start with a few basic shapes. It's beginning to look a lot like Santa. Well, sort of. At least it got his nose like a cherry, right? Here's a toy that needs no gift wrap. It's full of surprises. But let's start things off by cleaning her up. Talk about a blowout. It's a whole tornado. The toothpaste will add a minty fresh feeling. Time for a nice scrub. Now let's get you a brand new outfit. Throw on a nice skirt, maybe add some accessories. Yeah, makeovers can take a lot out of you. Something tells me this isn't just a box. It can help you make your own customized ornaments. And it starts with the flip of a switch. Besides, Frosty the Snowman could use a new look, like adding some color. He's like a blank slate. He'll be over the rainbow when we're done. Things are already looking better. But let's add a few more decorations. 2 eyes of coal? A button or carrot nose? But the magic starts with that old silk hat.
Merry Christmas!
This star projector looks like that drawing robot's cousin. But wait until you see the big light show. I guess even elves need nightlights too sometimes. You can sleep under the stars right in your bedroom. Always nice when astronauts come to visit. With all these lights, Rudolph can take a break this year. This is no ordinary scarf. It comes with a special pocket. Let's add some secret hot chocolate inside. Make sure it's sealed nice and tight. And put it in the scarf. Some little elf really should have worn their jacket. But don't worry, this scarf should warm you up. And in more ways than one. But seriously, get a jacket. You'd really think Santa would have mastered flying objects by now. You know, the whole rain dog idea worked for the Grinch. Wish they would have saved me a slice. And to all, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Catch you next year.